Upgrade your Perodua audio. Blaupunkt GTX 1402 PD is a Perodua plug-and-play two-way coaxial speaker. It fits for old Myvi, new Myvi, Alza, Bezza, Viva, Aruz. Blaupunkt GTX 1602 PD is a Perodua plug-and-play two-way coaxial speaker, while GTX 1602 CPD is a Perodua plug-and-play two-way component speaker. It fits for Alza, Ativa, Axia, Aruz, new Myvi, Viva, Bezza. Upgrade to more power today with Blaupunkt Perodua plug-and-play speakers.
Blaupunkt. Enjoy it.